Yogi Clan, welcome back. We are here with a 95 Softail, and why do I have this cover off? Because we're getting ready to adjust the clutch, and the derby cover was stuck on that, so we're going to try to pop that off. But check this out. This is a dry clutch system. You notice the belt on here in lieu of a chain. Customer problems, the starter, when we get warm, and you try to start it, like if it's stalled, it was warming up, and then you try to hit that starter again, it would just go click and nothing would happen. So we went inside, replaced all the contacts, replaced the plunger, cleaned up the solenoid area of the starter. Customers complain the bike gets warmed up and he's in 4th gear or 5th gear and he punches it. He said he feels like the clutch is slipping. So I went to go inspect the adjustment on the clutch. I have pulled, you can see here, I pulled all the screws out of the derby cover. 3 of them right here. 1 up top, 2 down here. And notice that derby cover is still attached. I tried everything to get this off of here. And well, I haven't tried everything. I tried everything when it was on like this, but I didn't want to scratch up this cover. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get that off camera. But what I'd like to do is just go ahead and adjust this clutch. So I have broken this nut free. Go ahead and unscrew this, get that out. Yeah, that was slap tight. I bet you that's part of the problem. So next thing we're gonna do before we adjust this, I'm gonna put broom in that cable. I do want to show you one other thing about this bike too. In looking at his clutch cable, there is an extreme amount of slop. I have really not even loosened that. I haven't really even loosened that up. Yeah, I just loosened that up just a little bit and it's way out. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and loosen this up and give him as much. Ooh, that's not even, that's just finger tight. My goodness. All right, so we have gotten him right now the most amount of room. We have closed this down as far as possible, given as much play in that clutch as possible. Turn this in till it touches. Okay, right there is where it touches. So let's put the wrench on, screw this down a little, not too much. So we're gonna move it just so where this touches, and then we're gonna come back 1/4 turn, and then we're gonna lock it in there. We're gonna start at 1/4. If that doesn't feel right, then we'll go back and do a 1/2. There we go, it's locked in. Now we'll go ahead and adjust the top. That feels much better. There we go. All right. That did it. All right, let's get these last couple screws in, and then we'll go for a ride, shall we? Let's do it.